ready to draw Felix the cat. I don't know if any of you younger people would remember Felix the cat, but Blue Hands does, and we're gonna start right about here. That's the top of his head, and then he's got a nice pointy ear that goes up like that, and then we'll bring his face down like that. All right, and we'll draw his other ear right here. That looks good. Alrighty, and then he's got two big eyes. One right here like this. That's right, and then his other eye kind of comes down like this. We gotta make room though, because he's got a funny nose right about here, just like that. Okay, and then he's got an eyeball here, and another eyeball right about there. Looking good, everybody. Now let's draw his mouth. He's got a big old nice smile, he does. And that rounds right on up to his nose, just like that. Now let's draw his mouth. Perfect. Big smile he's got. Just like this. And let's not forget the tongue. There we go. Looking good so far. Alrighty. Let's give him a bit of a hair bit down there like that. All right, now we're gonna draw his arm up like that. Gesturing with his hands. There's his thumb. Bring his palm down like that. And we're gonna draw 3 fingers. Very nice, everybody. Give him a bit of a whoop-de-doo right about there. And we'll bring his arm down here like that. And let's bring his other arm up on this side. Draw his thumb here like this, and the rest of his hand here. And there's 3 fingers there, just like that. And then we can bring his arm around like that. Looking good, everybody. There we go. Now, Felix has got a bit of a pear-shaped body here. And then it goes all the way down like that. That's right. Bring his feet here like this, 1 foot there. Let's bring this down, and there's his tail, looking nice. There's his other leg. There's his last foot, right about there. Looking good. Bring that on up like that. I like it. All right, everybody, it's Felix the cat. Let's get to the color. Felix has a black body and a red tongue. Thanks, everyone.